Hello, my name is Tom Caldwell, and welcome to my channel. My website is tomcaldwellonline.com, where you learn how to earn money online without spending unnecessary thousands of dollars and hundreds of hours trying to figure out how to make money online by yourself. Let's get into today's lesson. Lesson number 2 in a series of entitled How to Make Money Online for Beginners. Our topic today is choose your niche. Here's the table of contents. What is a niche? Who is your ideal customer? Passion versus profitability. Niche down. Make your choice. And your homework. What is a niche? A niche denotes or is related to products, services, or interests that appeal to a specialized segment of the population. A niche is your audience. A niche is something sometimes referred to as a target market or your ideal customer. Choosing a niche is a balance of passion, interest, experience, and profitability. Consider each of these. Who is your ideal customer? When choosing a niche, ask yourself the question, whom will I serve and how will I serve them? Passion will keep you motivated when the going gets tough. What are you passionate about? What is your hobby? What skill do you have? What can you teach to others? How about golf, basketball, fishing, travel, DIY projects, or home decoration? Passion versus profitability. Profitability will earn you money faster. And here's a short list of profitable niches: health and fitness, weight loss, beauty and fashion, dating and relationships, food, self-improvement or e-learning, how to make money and finances, lifestyle and travel, technology, electronic gadgets and gaming, and pets. These aren't the only niches you can make money in, but they are the ones that give you the best chance. Just because there are only 7 niches on this list, don't believe that your options are limited. Of course, each of these very large niches can be broken down into smaller niches. Choosing a smaller niche is called niching down. Niching down means aiming to a specific group of people within your chosen niche. Niching down helps you laser target your content and affiliate offers to your ideal customers' exact questions and desires. So if you're interested in health and fitness, you don't have to do a general health and fitness blog. You might do yoga for pregnant women, for example. Make your decision. The decision of what niche is entirely up to you. Consider your options and make a decision. Don't worry and fall into the trap of indecision. In conclusion, just make a decision. The truth is, if you decide on a niche and it doesn't work out to your expectations, you can always change your niche. Okay, your homework is simple. Give yourself 24 to 48 hours to decide on your niche. And if you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video entitled Building Your Blog or Website.